Welcome all to my YouTube channel Shweta Gupta Chemistry Classes. As in 11 we are doing some basic concepts of chemistry, and in that yesterday we have covered what do you mean by mole and what all things are included in mole concept. And today we will be solving the numericals that are based on mole concept. So, yesterday we have done one formula, that is mole is equals to mass in gram divided by molar mass. So, when I talk about mass in gram, it is basically the mass which is given in grams. It is the mass which is given in grams. It is already given in the question, or you need to find it. Molecular mass is the mass of the molecule, and number of mole is the, what is number of moles. So the first question is, calculate the mass of an atom of silver. Now children, you all should focus here now. There is one technique, and based on that technique you will be easily solving any question which is coming from mole concept. So you just focus in question what is given. What is asked is mass from an atom of silver atom. Whenever mass is asked, you need to find out the mass. Mass is always in gram. So gram should be always on the right side. What is asked should be on the right side, and with the help of which you are going to find out the mass, that should be on the left side. So here you are going to find out the mass with the help of an atom. Whenever term atom is there, it is an atom, number of atom 1. So it is, we will use Avogadro's number here. So you will find with the help of Avogadro number will come on the left side, and mass which you need to find out will come on the right side. So first thing is, you should know what is the mass of silver atom. Generally it is 1 mole. Solution is an atom of silver you need to find out. So an atom of silver, the atomic mass of silver is 108 gram. So atomic mass of silver is equals to 108 gram. Gram atomic mass you will write on the right side, and with the help of which you need to find, that you will write on the left side. So you can write that Avogadro number of atoms of silver has mass is equals to 108 gram. So with the help of this you need to find out the mass. So Avogadro number of atom of silver has mass itna. This we have already done, like 1 mole of oxygen atom is equals to mass is equals to atomic mass, which have how many number of atom? Avogadro number of atom. Same concept I have used here. Avogadro number of atom of silver has mass 108 gram. So 1 atom of silver has mass, this 108 divided by Avogadro number. So this will give you the mass, which is coming out to be 1.793 into 10 to the power minus 22 gram. On solving this, you will get this answer. So what is asked? Mass. That will be on the left side, with the help of which an atom, whenever this term is there, you will always use Avogadro number. So Avogadro number of silver atom has mass itna 108 grams. So 1 atom of silver, that is asked, has mass how much? 108 divided by Avogadro number. So this will be the answer you will get. Next question is, what you need to find out this is the second part of that question only. You need to find out the mass of a molecule of carbon dioxide. Molecule of carbon dioxide mass you need to find out. So mass you need to find. So mass will be on the right side, and a molecule, again the term molecule, a molecule, it means one molecule. It means it is including the number of molecules. So Avogadro number will come on the left side. These two things are clear, then you will be able to solve any question based on this mole concept. So first you need to find out the molecular mass of CO2. So molecular mass of CO2, I have told you how to find it out. For carbon it is 12 plus 2 atom of oxygen into, for atomic mass of oxygen is 16. So it came out to be 44 gram. So one molecule of CO2 has mass, it is generally molecular mass of CO2 is 44 gram. So now with the help of which you need to find Avogadro number, because a molecule is written. So number of molecules. Avogadro number of molecules of CO2 has mass is equals to 44 gram. So one molecule of CO2 has mass how much? 44 divided by Avogadro number. So it came out to be 7.307 into 10 to the power minus 23 gram. So this will be the answer. So now you got to know about the technique which we'll use. What is asked is the mass. Mass will be on the right side, with the help of which a molecule, it is a molecule, it is number of molecule. So Avogadro number. Whenever it is number of atom, molecule or ion, it is always Avogadro number. So with the help of Avogadro number you will find the mass. So Avogadro number on left side, mass on the right side, and then the simple unitary method will use. Next one is, how many atoms and molecules of sulfur are present in 64 gram of sulfur? What is asked is how many atoms, number of atom and molecule, number of atom. It means Avogadro number will be included. So what is asked is number of atom and molecule. So what is asked will be always on the right side. Are present in 64 gram of sulfur. Gram. It means with the help of gram you need to find out. So gram will be on the which side? Gram will be on left side, and Avogadro number of atom will be on the right side, because what is asked is number of atom. So number of atom on the right side, and with the help of which you need to find is gram. So gram will be on the left side. This thing you should always make clear, what is asked and with the help of which it is asked. So now the solution is, first it is S8 molecule, and so you will find out the molecular mass of S8. Molecular mass of S8 molecule, it is, for sulfur it is 32. So it will be 32 into how many atom is there? 8 atoms. So it is 256 gram. So molecular mass of sulfur S8, sulfur atomic mass 32. How many atom are there? 8. So 32 into 8, 256 gram. Now next part. So this is the number of gram which will have Avogadro number of molecules. So what you will write? 256 gram of S8 molecule has number of molecules is equal to Avogadro number of molecules. So 1 gram of S8 will have how much? Number of molecules. Unitary method. 6.022 into 10 to the power 3, 23, divide by this, divide by 256. This much number of molecules. So what is asked in the question? are present in 64 gram of, so 256 has this much number of molecules, so 1 gram will have this divided by 256, so 64 gram will have unitary method. 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 divided by 256 into 64 number of molecules. So on solving this, what we get is, how many number of molecules on solving this will be getting? We'll be getting 1.506 into 10 to the power 23 molecules. This much number of molecules we will get. Now, again one more question is there. You need to find out the number of atoms also. So, as you all know, one molecule of sulfur has atoms is equals to 8, has 8 atoms of sulfur. So the number of atoms this will have, therefore 1.506 into 10 to the power 23 molecules of sulfur will contain sulfur atoms is equals to 1.506 into 10 to the power 23 into 8. That is, a molecule is having this much, that is 64 gram of S8 molecule is having this much number of molecules, 1.506 into 23 molecules. So, as one sulfur molecule has 8 atoms, so you will multiply this into number of molecules into number of atoms. So, you will get the number of atoms. So, they came out to be 1.2048 into 10 to the power 24 atoms. So, this is the answer. So, how you are going to find out what is asked? Atom and molecule. Present in 64 gram of sulfur. Atom and molecule, number of atom and molecule are asked. So Avogadro number on left side, right side, and with the help of which gram you need to find. Gram will be on the left side. So it is S8 molecule. You will find out the molecular mass. So it is 256 gram. So 256 gram has number of molecule, Avogadro number of molecule. So 1 gram will have Avogadro number of molecule divided by 256. So how much will 64 gram will have? Into 64. So this much number of molecule. Now atoms are also asked. In one molecule of sulfur there are 8 atoms. So this is for the molecules. So one molecule of sulfur has 8 atoms. So this is the number of molecules. So you will multiply it by number of atom, that is 8. So the number of atom came out to be 1.2048 into 10 to the power 24 atoms. So that's all for today. Thank you and have a nice day.